Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to grow your audience and collect emails, adding a newsletter sign-up form is essential. So in today's small tutorial, I'm actually to show you how to add a newsletter sign-up form in Wix.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet as well. Go to Google and look for Wix or just Wix.com. So you can basically open the website, connect using your email address and password. It will take you to this new page where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. As for now, basically open the Wix editor or Wix website editor by tapping on design site. Then wait some seconds until it fully opens. It may take some time since they are preparing our website now, but it's totally fine. We're just gonna wait and wait. So we can actually add the panel last. Okay, so here it goes. As for now, we're gonna go to this plus icon here to add elements. We're gonna go and look for contact and forms. Here it goes as well. There is multiple orders, including contact, pre-made forms, order, and all of this. Select the newsletter forms since there is multiple options here. Feedback, registration, scheduling, images, Stripe, menu, and all of this. Bookings, payments, social embed calls, interactive. You can basically just select whatever you want. Registration forms, application form, request forms, subscribe forms, and all of this. Look for your newsletter form and just select it. Choose the sign up form, pick a layout and drag into your page. Then edit the form fields. Usually just email is enough. Keep it simple. Connect to email marketing. Link the form to Wix email marketing or just automations. Then tap on save. Then publish. Tap on save here, then publish here so it will go live. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.